Hello, cordial greeting. My name is Geraldine Esmeralda Olivos Gomez, English student 2, Group 86, Bachelor's degree in Foreign Language with emphasis in English. Next, I present my word of text to 11 leisurely. Let's begin. So, text to 11 leisurely by Geraldine Olivos. Step 3. Vocabulary related to free time and physical activities. I like soccer. I am good drawing. I am really into studying English. I am interested in living in Canada. I am keen on seeing all the Harry Potter movies. I am crazy about eating burger and fries. And dislike. I dislike golf. I am not good at dancing bachata. I am not much into philosophy. I had exercise. I can stand listening to metal music. I don't really careful working at night. Step 5. My routine and my best friend routine. My routine. I usually get up to do homework with my daughter. I always do housework and prepare food in the morning. In the afternoon, I take a break and I do my university work. At night, I share with my husband and my daughters, and we watch TV. I don't really practice any sport. My hobbies are the 7R, music, and study. My best friend's routine. My best friend routine is Jenny. Um, Jenny goes to the gym every morning. Generally, she attends the tuna where she sings. She sings Massen in the living hours and does her university papers. Jenny goes out with her friends at night to have fun. Jenny does really like soap, McHugh, house cleaning. Not. Jenny hobbies are singing, playing guitar, exercising, and having fun with her friends. Our routines are very different. She goes out a lot and I don't. I also spend a lot of time with my family and she with her friends. Although we both spend time on university studies. Step 8. She image. Photograph of the movie Titanic. Description of the image. The protagonists of the film go down the ladders. Rose and Jack have fancy clothes. The four men in the photo are very handsome. Women wear long black dresses. The three women have their hair up. The story of the Titanic are clean, or Rose and Jack are in love. All men are serious and kind. Events that are happening in my life recently. Um, these days, I am reading the book of the story of the pedagogy. I am planning my daughter's first communion party. Next week, I have an anniversary. We're going on a trip next weekend. I am fulfilling my dream of learning English. I am studying in the UNAT University. I am watching the Karate Kid. I have to wash the lunch dishes. My husband and I are going out dancing on the 26th for our anniversary. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.